This is the 3Z Brands Mattress Factory. It's a 650,000 square foot space capable of producing up to 4,000 mattresses per day. At this facility, raw materials including petroleum products, steel wire, and fabrics are processed and assembled into over 200 different mattress models for 10 brands within the 3Z Brands family and over 50 other brands. The first step in the manufacturing process begins with the arrival of raw materials. Tanker trucks deliver bulk chemicals, while other textiles, accessories, and other materials arrive via trucks. Foam production begins in a series of rooms equipped with
24,000 gallons now.
20,000-gallon chemical tanks. Each tank contains a unique formulation that's capable of producing a specially designed foam.
You're a goddamn artist. This is art.
Up to 200,000 pounds of material can be contained within a single tank. Once the tank mixing process is complete, any additives such as gel, titanium, or copper can be added in via a slurry tank. Next, the material can be poured into the foam assembly line. The foam initially is poured in a semi-liquid state. However, after being exposed to oxygen, a chemical reaction takes place, causing the foam to dramatically expand and grow.
Yes, science!
Certain foams may reach heights of up to 50 inches and 90 inches wide. Most foams are poured into a continuous long-form bun, reaching 100 linear feet, and can take 1 to 3 days to fully cure. During the curing process, the foams may reach 270 degrees Fahrenheit internally. A 4-story building houses the foams as they cure. A gantry, which is a rail-based system equipped with an elevator, is used to move and stack long-form buns, as well as transition them to the production side of the plant once curing is complete. Before cured foams move to production, they are tested at the on-site lab to ensure quality and performance attributes, including weight, firmness, and more. The factory is capable of producing up to 7,500 linear feet of foam every 8 hours, which is enough foam to produce approximately 8,000 10-inch all-foam mattresses. The equipment required to formulate, pour, cure, and test foams costs an astounding $20 million. While foams are curing, other teams are busy at work creating pocketed coil units, which act as the support layers for many mattress models. Unprocessed steel wire is coiled and tempered with heat. Within just a few seconds, it's cooled enough to be wrapped with a fabric layer. Individual wrapped pocketed coils are structured into a complete coil unit, often with reinforced extra supportive coils along the edge of the mattress. Finally, a thin fabric layer is glued on top of the coils, ensuring the coil layer stays firmly affixed during the assembly process. A combination of automatic machines and expert seamstresses build the fabric layers of the mattress, including the border and top cover. Top covers typically are a blend of an exterior fabric quilted with foam and fire-resistant materials. A seamstress affixes a thin piece of fabric on the bottom of the cover, which will be used later to ensure the cover is firmly connected to the support layers of the mattress. Now that foam, coils, and fabric layers have been created, they are ready to be assembled into the final mattress. First up, long-form foam buns must be cut to the appropriate dimensions for the mattress. Certain foams also go through a machine that cuts air channels into the foam layer known as convolutes. These channels can help soften the mattress and improve breathability. The factory uses RFID tracking, and every material component is equipped with an RFID tag. This makes it easier to know exactly what mattress brand, SKU, and size is being manufactured, and the specific materials that go with that SKU. Layers of foam and coils are stacked and glued together. Next, a craftsman affixes the top cover on the mattress using a hog ring gun, which is essentially a type of staple gun. The hog ring gun connects the top cover using the connected fabric layer affixed by the master seamstress during the cover production process. Finally, the border is affixed to the mattress, and now the layers of coils and foam are fully encased within the mattress cover. Now that the mattress is fully assembled, it moves on to the quality assurance step. Here, workers use compressed air to remove any errant threads. In addition, They look for any errors in the manufacturing process, dirt, and material defects. The final step in the process is compression and boxing. Here you can see a machine that compresses the mattress while also wrapping it in plastic. The mattress is rolled and placed in a box. It's temporarily stored while awaiting trucks to begin its final journey to your door. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please join me in giving a huge thanks to 3Z Brands, who gave us this incredible behind-the-scenes look at their factory. If you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to let us know in the comments. As always, be sure to visit us at naplab.com, and thanks so much for watching.